Hey everyone, I'm Cindy. Welcome to Embracing the Journey. Today we're in our first port on the Carnival Magic and we're in Half Moon Cay. So let's check it out. Even though it's a small island, there are actually quite a few excursions you can book on Half Moon Cay. You can go snorkeling, kayaking, hiking, biking, horseback riding. You can swim with stingrays, ride a jet ski, or just tour the island on foot or by tram. We chose not to book an excursion and just spent a relaxing day on the beach. Lunch is provided at no additional charge, so when you're feeling hungry, head up to the barbecue area for burgers, hot dogs, chicken, a variety of salads, fruits, and desserts. There are 4 bars on Half Moon Cay. The Rum Runners Bar, located near the pier, the I Wish I Could Stay Here Forever Bar, located on the beach near Cabana 1, the Bell Bar, located near the Island Buffet, and Captain Morgan's Bar, which you can't miss because it's set in the wreckage of a pirate ship.